I'm going to show you how you can create this animation. So go to this website and then click on Create Map Animation. Go to this search tool and then add name here. I'm going to add Toronto. By the way, these are the default places, locations. You can delete them. Okay. And then add one more. And I'll add one more. Okay. You have something called options. If you click here, you have the option to choose between Eco and Earth. Eco, it looks like 2D animation, like flat animation. It is 3D animation, but it still looks like it looks flat. And if you go and choose Earth, the Earth will look like 3D Earth. It looks like real Earth. So choose whatever you want. I will choose Eco. I believe it will take shorter time to animate. You also have the option to choose day, night, light, and gray. I'll keep it as it is, and you can also change the screen sizes here. After you add your locations, just click on the right side here, okay? And then wait. It might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Now the animation is ready. As you can see, the animation is ready. Now you can go to export, and then you can export the video. You can choose the sizes, different sizes, and download. As you can see, you can use 10 free downloads. You can download up to 10 videos for free. Alternatively, what you can do is press Ctrl, Shift, and I. Go to this inspection tool and click on here. And on this right side, you'll see this, the location or the address of the video. Right click here. Click on Open in New tab. It's going to show the video. On the bottom right side, says More Options. Click here, and then you can click on Download. In this way, you can download it free of cost without using those 10 chances or 10 attempts. Okay. Thanks for watching.